Hi, I'm Alex from Pilotline. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust the catheter guides on your vertical reflow machine. Here's what properly adjusted guides look like. Let's test the top one first. And now the bottom. Okay, everything looks perfectly centered. That's good. Here's an example of a guide that's not properly adjusted. As you can see, it's too far forward. Here's an example of clamps that are too far open. As you can see, when we fully close, we don't get nearly closed enough, and when we're fully open, it opens way too far. In this example, the top clamp is closing way too far. It actually goes way beyond closed. The first thing to do is to make sure that the nozzle is closed all the way. We do that by pressing close and then this down arrow repeatedly until we stop moving. There. Now, as you can see, when you look at the top here, this particular nozzle is not closed all the way. Let's remove the rear cover. Now let's verify the nozzle's in the correct position. First, loosen this T-clamp with a 10mm socket. Then you'll see that the heater nozzle has this step. That's where the edge of the sheet metal should align, just like so. Now we recommend positioning the clamp halfway between the heater nozzle and the reflow nozzle. Once it's in position, you can tighten the screw. Again, it's a 10mm socket. Please make sure the nozzle is vertical as you do this process. Now let's concentrate on the actual adjustment. First, remove the clevises from the servo horn. You can pry them with a flathead screwdriver. The clevises can be threaded in and out in order to lengthen or shorten the push rods. Our goal when adjusting the clamps is to make sure that when they are in the fully closed position, they line up like so. This clevis looks like it needs to travel in, so I'll screw it in. This other clevis appears to be pretty close. Let's install it and check again. Let's check the clamp for alignment now. Open, closed. Open, closed. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at pilotlinetools.com.